The OnePlus 15R is finally here. After the launch of the OnePlus 15 a few weeks ago, OnePlus has now introduced its more affordable sibling. This is the first smartphone powered by the Snapdragon 8 Gen 5, delivering flagship-level performance at a lower price point. Inside the box, OnePlus keeps things familiar. You get the phone, an 80W fast charger, a red USB-A to USB-C cable, SIM ejector tool, documentation, and a color-matched protective case. The OnePlus 15R comes in the mint breeze color and feels premium in hand. It features flat sides, a metal frame, and a glass metal sandwich design. Compared to the OnePlus 15, it is slightly larger but lighter and very comfortable to hold. At the bottom, you get a USB-C port, speaker grill, microphone, and SIM tray. The phone includes stereo speakers, an IR blaster, volume rocker, power button, and the iconic OnePlus alert slider. The OnePlus 15R features a 6.83-inch LTPS display with 1.5K resolution and a 165 Hz refresh rate. It supports up to 1800 nits in HBM mode and is protected with IP66, IP68, and IP69 ratings. Powered by Snapdragon 8 Gen 5, the performance is very close to last year's flagship chips. The phone comes in 12GB RAM with 256GB or 512GB storage options, delivering smooth gaming and multitasking. The OnePlus 15R features a primary and ultra-wide camera but misses a telephoto lens. However, it supports 4K video recording at 120 FPS, which is impressive for its segment. The phone packs a massive 7,400 mAh battery with 80W fast charging. With Oxygen OS optimization, users can easily expect 1.5 to 2 days of battery life on moderate usage, running Oxygen OS. The OnePlus 15R focuses on performance efficiency and balance. OnePlus is clearly refining its software and AI features for better long-term performance going into 2026. The expected price of the OnePlus 15R is around $540 to $580, depending on the variant. A full detailed review will be available after the official launch, so stay tuned.